Welcome to Simply Windows. I'm Max and I'm a writer from Microsoft. I'm working from home and have some tips on how to do a lot with a little space. We got a tweet from a viewer, Claude Cardi, that said, "How about a video on virtual desktops? Tried using them but haven't found a real-world use case." Since I'm working from home, I don't have the large screen or extra monitors that I'm used to. It makes keeping track of things a little bit harder. One way I get around this is by using virtual desktops to help me stay focused and organized. Right now, I'm working on some homework for a class I'm taking, but I have a presentation open that I need some feedback on. I don't want these things to overlap, so I'll use virtual desktops to keep them separate. I'll start by selecting Task View on the taskbar. Now I can see all the apps that I have open, like OneNote and PowerPoint. While I could choose to make a new desktop, I could also select and drag an app over New Desktop and create one that way. Let me show you with OneNote. To start working on this new desktop, I can select it while in Task View. When working, I often split my screen. Since I'm doing some research, I want Microsoft Edge and OneNote open at the same time. I'll open up Edge, then select and drag it to the right side of my screen. I can also choose what app takes the other side. If you have more apps open, you'll see them here too. This is just one way to use virtual desktops. Sometimes I'll use virtual desktops to separate my music and downloads. It makes finding them easier when I want to change the song or check on the download's progress. Anytime I want to change desktops, I'll select Task View and choose the one I want. Since I'm using a laptop, there are touchpad gestures that make this even easier. To see Task View, I'll use 3 fingers on the touchpad and swipe up towards the screen. When I'm done, I'll use 3 fingers on the touchpad and swipe down towards me. To switch desktops, I'll use 4 fingers and swipe left or right. And I can change these shortcuts in settings. Have a tip you want others to know about? Let us know in the comments and be sure to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Bye!